Best deals.
1. Idli stand. Ideal for effortlessly creating delicious and fluffy idlis in the comfort of your own home. This idli stand is crafted from pure virgin aluminium, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. Ceramic exterior adds a pop of color and also maintains its stain-free, lustrous appearance for years, perfect for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut scraper. With durable stainless steel blade, perfect for efficient and traditional coconut grating. Durable polished teak coconut scraper offering long-lasting performance and elegance for traditional and modern kitchens. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Container box. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. The sleek and space-efficient capsule shape allows for easy stacking and organization. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Toilet brush. Made with thermoplastic rubber bristles that's tough on grime but gentle on ceramic surfaces. Ventilation holes in the holder allow air circulation for faster drying and to prevent odors. Ergonomically designed for a secure, comfortable hold that makes scrubbing effortless. The detachable drip tray in the holder prevents water buildup and eliminates unpleasant smells. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadhai. Is crafted with the PFOA-free non-stick coating shielded by stainless steel ridges. This allows you to use metal spatulas without causing damage and also ensures less wear and tear, ultimately extending the lifespan of your kadhai. The extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction ensures superior heat retention and even cooking. The stay-cool rosewood handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when the kadhai is hot. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. Offers international grade functionality by storing baking trays, pans, chopping boards, and lids with ease. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers with this versatile kitchen organizer rack. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Glass containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. They are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for cooking, reheating, and storing meals. The set includes 370 ml, 600 ml, and 1000 ml containers, ideal for lunch, snacks, office meals, and portion-controlled storage. Each container has an airtight, leak-proof lid that keeps food fresh, prevents spills, and makes them easy to carry for office, school, or picnics. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mold. These popsicles molds are made of food-grade silicone. The surface of the popsicle maker is smooth and touch soft in hand, very easy to release, equipped with 50 wooden sticks. Using such multi cavity silicone ice cream mold, you could make 4 treats at a time. Enjoy your happy time with your kids and family. These ice cream molds are suitable for all kinds of popsicle desserts and homemade cake suckles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. Elevate your kitchen decor with the sleek design of our kitchen storage box. Made from high-quality materials, these containers are both durable and visually appealing, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen storage solutions. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Organizer. Smooth wheels and dual lids with secure locks. Concealed wheels make it easy to pull out, even when full. The dual hinged lids on top open from both sides, providing easy access, so you don't need to open the full lid to reach your belongings, while 6 buckle locks keep items sealed, dust and moisture proof. Clear body with 5 side visibility to find items instantly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Egg rings. Pods are a totally new and healthier way to cook eggs, combining the principles of both frying and poaching into one revolutionary design. These innovative silicone egg rings feature a small reservoir on top into which you add a few spoonfuls of water. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cold press slow juicer. Uses low speed, 55 rpm, to squeeze fruits and vegetables, ensuring no important fiber, vitamins and minerals are damaged from heat and processing. This kind of juice extraction prevents oxidation and help you get real tasting in natural juice. The small, space-saving design of the slow juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. You can easily assemble and disassemble the machine for a thorough cleaning. The separate pulp outlet and juice jars prevent any kind of mess on the kitchen counter. Also, its compact size makes it convenient to store in a kitchen shelf. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadai. Its even heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. Even with less oil, you are sure to get excellent cooking results. Best quality Tripoli stainless steel deep kadai for cooking a variety of dishes including gravies, curries, fried rice, noodles in large quantities and also deep frying samosas, pakora. The stainless steel deep kadai has an induction base too. The kadai with lid has a wide interior for easy cooking and comes with durable, stay cool handles for firm grip. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Paneer maker. Prepare soft and fresh paneer, chena, ricotta, or cottage cheese at home effortlessly with this round paneer maker mold. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability, hygiene, and safe contact with food. Holes at the bottom allow quick draining away, while the round shape makes it easy to press and shape paneer evenly. Ideal not only for paneer, but also curd straining, cheese making, and tofu preparation. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tawa. The durable non-stick coating allows you to cook with minimal oil, promoting healthier meals while making cleanup a breeze. Strong and sturdy Bakelite handles provide a firm, comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver your pots and pans. Plus, this cookware is dishwasher safe, simplifying your post-meal cleanup. One can cook nice chapatis, fulka rotis, in this concave roti tawa. Elevate your culinary experience with this stylish and efficient cookware set, designed to make every meal a delight. Compatible with both gas stoves and induction bases, this cookware is crafted from super quality aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Drying rack. Crafted from high-quality metal with a thickened, eco-friendly finish, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. This rack is built to withstand regular use while remaining sturdy. Each tier includes a removable drip tray that collects excess water, keeping your countertops dry and clean. This feature simplifies maintenance and prevents water damage in your kitchen. The anti-rust coating enhances the stainless steel structure, making it strong and durable for long-term use. Anti-slip rubber feet provide stability and protect your countertops from scratches. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cake pan. Excellent heat conduction, highly durable cold roll carbon steel for better heat retention, faster and even baking without hot spots. Honeycomb pattern base for better browning and smooth food release. Thicker and wider side handles for easy and safe maneuver. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Glass jars. Your kitchen organizational needs. Glass containers suit the best when it comes to organizing spices and other food items in a presentable and beautiful manner. These containers not only make your kitchen look elegant, but also make it plastic-free. Glass containers are important in every kitchen as you need to preserve dry as well as food items like pickles to keep them safe from moisture, dust, and for long-term storage. Before buying the perfect container for your kitchen, look at some of the best options available. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Idli cooker. Stackable pots and nesting lids save precious kitchen space. Streamline your cooking experience, urge for high durability, easy to wash and clean, rust-proof and hygiene. Ergonomic handles stay cool, offering a secure grip. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen while saving valuable counter space. A perfect balance of form and function. Premium stainless steel multi-pot with even heat distribution for perfect meals every time. Suitable for all cooking surfaces. Non-reactive stainless steel ensures no harmful chemicals leach into your food. Nourish your family with confidence. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Frother Electric. The upgraded motor in this coffee whisker produces froth with minimal noise or splash. One button activation simplifies busy mornings. Its motion stays smooth across hot or cold drinks. Designed for precision, it's ideal as a quiet coffee mixer. It delivers stable, consistent results as a dependable coffee frother. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Stand Mixer. Is equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. This stand mixer comes equipped with 4 world-class safety features. 1. Overload protection. Stops the machine if overheated, thus preventing accidents and damage to motor. 2. Safety lock. Stops the machine if the tilt heat is not locked securely or released during operation. 3. Auto disable. If power is stopped during operation, machine won't restart unless and until the speed is reset to 4. Anti-slip. Non-slip silicone feet keep the machine stationary during operation. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Coffee Maker. Just press button, that's it, no complicated settings, timers, or English manuals to decipher. 3 simple parts clean in 2 minutes under tap water. Compact design fits on crowded kitchen counters alongside masala dabba and mixer. Works with standard Indian voltage, 220 to 240 V, no adapters needed. Make South Indian filter coffee base, beaten coffee, or authentic espresso. Every morning, you make everyone's day better. This makes your mornings better. No compromise between good coffee and precious time. No guilt about cafe expenses. Just pure, delicious espresso that reminds you that your needs matter. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Soup Maker. 304 stainless steel interior and easy clean exterior. Perfect 800 ml size for single servings. Touch control, presets, and auto shut-off make blending hot soup simple. Heat leftovers, make nut milk, or enjoy a hot cup of tea. It's truly multi-purpose. Quickly make healthy soups, vegan milks, and more with this one appliance. Powerful 600 W heating and 250 W motor for rapid heating and blending. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Chopper. Perfect for all your chopping and mincing needs. A chopper for kitchen use is designed to make your everyday life better by simplifying cutting and chopping. Electric chopper comes with ultra-powerful motor which glides through everything including onion, garlic, ginger, tomato, nuts with ease, giving you a desirable chop every time. Additional scraping spoon with every product ensures that you can safely clean your electric chopper for vegetables without getting your fingers cut through the sharp blades. The chopper comes with dual safety touch mechanism. The chopper won't start until the lid is locked properly in the given slots and the lid button is pressed. The one-touch push button operation not only makes the mini chopper easy to use but it is also safe. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Dining Table Cover. Transform your dining space into a haven of sophistication with Kuber Industries tablecloth, a seamless blend of style and functionality. Elevate your dining experience with our exquisite collection that promises to redefine your table setting. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Hair Dryer. Crafted from durable metal, this wall-mounted hair dryer holder offers a sleek and practical storage solution for your hair dryer and styling accessories. It keeps your hair dryer, styling tools, and small accessories neatly arranged in one place. This versatile holder is ideal for bathrooms, salons, and dressing rooms. Its compact design fits easily into small spaces, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or any area with limited room. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Sandwich Maker allows you to prepare up to 4 sandwiches at once, ideal for busy mornings or family snacks. Whether you are making paninis, grilled sandwiches, quesadillas, or toasting bread, this electric sandwich maker is your go-to kitchen solution. Tailor your cooking with the adjustable temperature controller of Toaster Sandwich Maker, perfect for customizing heat for various recipes. This grilled sandwich maker electric ensures even heating for golden results every time, making it suitable for various foods. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with the non-stick coating that allows food to release effortlessly, reducing the need for excessive oil. The removable drip tray in Griller Sandwich Maker collects excess oil and crumbs, promoting healthier cooking and quicker cleaning. Griller opens 180 degrees to double as a compact indoor electric grill, perfect for grilling vegetables, meat, fish, and more. The floating hinge adapts to the thickness of your food, making it a versatile panini grilled sandwich maker and barbecue alternative. Designed with user safety in mind, the cool touch handle in grill sandwich toaster ensures safe operation even when the grill is hot. Power on and ready indicator lights in Libra sandwich machine provide clear visual cues, while the skid-resistant feet keep the sandwich maker stable during use. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Its multifunction, grill sandwich maker and toast electric with 180-degree open function makes it every home need. Its auto cutoff and shock-proof features make it safe for every home cooking recipe. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Sponge. The U-shaped design of the cleaning scrub sponge duster completely fits the sanitary dead corner, making it easier to remove dust particles. The cleaning area on the other side is large and can be wiped quickly. 2 ways to use the clean wet sponge duster make your cleaning more efficient. The dense water absorption holes can absorb a lot of water. After the magic cleaning eraser sponge is fully soaked, it will become softer and have better cleaning power. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kneader. Experience effortless food prep with a high-performance 400W motor that kneads up to half a kilogram dough in 30 to 60 seconds, making chapati, paratha, puri and bread preparation faster and easier. 4-in-1 multifunction appliance, knead, chop, blend and juice. One appliance replaces multiple tools. Use it as an atta maker, vegetable chopper, blender, and citrus juicer to prepare smoothies, salads, chutney, batters and more with ease. Food-grade materials and stainless steel blades made with food-safe materials and durable stainless steel blades for precise chopping, mixing and juicing, safe for daily family user. Kneading, powerful copper motor that support kneading and chopping. Detachable design for convenience, designed for everyday Indian kitchens with removable, easy to wash parts, no mess, no manual effort, and easy storage after use. Overload protection for long life, space-saving design with built-in thermal overload safety, ensuring long-lasting performance and protecting the motor during continuous use. Suring glass from perfect mixture of water and flour according to the machine power and jar quantity. Powerful 1000W motor for efficient processing, equipped with a high-performance 1000-watt motor that delivers fast, smooth, and consistent results for everyday food preparation tasks like chopping, grinding, blending, and kneading. 12-in-1 multifunction food processor, comes with 12 versatile attachments designed to handle multiple kitchen tasks such as chopping, slicing, shredding, kneading, grinding, citrus juicing, whisking, and blending. Product link is given in the 29th link.